Hello friends, in my last lecture we have started with the structure of the constitution and completed with the parts of the constitution. They are 22 in number. Now we are moving on to the schedules. Schedules are 12 in number. So first schedule speaks about or talks about the union and its territory. That is, even it talks about change in border of the states or union territory. This is the thing. Second is salary to high officials. Like you can say judges, or you can say controller and auditor general, and so on. Means those who hold public office for them. The third one is oaths and affirmations. See, you might have seen CM of a state taking oath, or you can say governor taking oath, or president taking oath, prime minister taking oath. The oaths and affirmation are given in this schedule 4. Then 3. Fourth schedule is allocation of seats to Rajya Sabha. Of seats in Rajya Sabha. Now see, these seats of Rajya Sabha are allocated per state as well as per union territory. Then it provides, fifth schedule provides administration and control. Of schedule area and schedule tribe. Then sixth provides for the administration of scheduled area of state of say Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura. Seventh one is the provision of the union list, state list and concurrent list. Then eighth one is recognized language. I have talked to you many times. Recognized languages are 22 in number. Ninth is judicial review. That the judiciary can say any part or article of the constitution as null and void, and it can send it for judicial review by the parliament. 10th is anti-defection law. 11th is rural government, rural local government, that is Panchayati Raj. And 12th is, this is rural local government, and then we have urban local government as municipalities. So this was about the schedules which you have to remember, which schedule says what. Now next is the amendments. So from the date on which the constitution was framed, that is 26th November 1949 to January 2018, 123 amendments are made in the constitution. Actually, part 20 deals with the amendment, and article 368 talks about the amendment, and it gives power to the parliament to make the amendment, also the procedure how to make amendments. Then we have two appendices, they are related to J&K. Now moving on to fundamental duties. Now see, these fundamental duties were not present when the constitution was written, and these duties and rights go hand in hand. These fundamental duties were added to the constitution by 42nd Amendment Act 1976. Now see, when they were added, they were 10 in number, and these were added by the recommendation of Swaran Singh Committee. When these were added, there were 10 fundamental duties. But in 2002, by 86th Amendment Act, one more duty was added, so total 11 fundamental duties are there, and they are incorporated in the constitution in Article 51A. Now what are these fundamental duties? So first fundamental duty is to abide to the constitution and respect the national institutions such as national anthem, national flag. Then second, to cherish the noble ideals of the freedom struggle. The third one is to uphold the unity and integrity of nation, that is sovereignty and integrity of nation. Then to protect the national environment such as lakes, river, wildlife sanctuary, etc. Then to render service to the nation whenever called upon. Then you have to protect the public property and abjure violence. Then you should develop scientific temper and humanism. Then you should continuously move towards excellence in all the spheres, so that the nation could feel proud and nation can rise. Then to uphold or to preserve and protect the national culture and rich heritage, you can say. And then to give education. It becomes the duty of a parent or a guardian to provide or opportunity for the ward or the child to get educated from the age of 6 to 14. So these are the 11 fundamental duties which are incorporated in the constitution. Now we will, in the next lecture we will see how these duties are important and what are the critics of these duties. Thank you.